wear your seatbelt.
Bruh, I know this shit for real, for real.
What's up?
Yeah, that shit is crazy, bro. Nigga, I can't believe I remember this shit, though.
We gotta wait because they got the right of way. And that's Infinity is probably insured. If you hit them, y'all ass.
Nigga's over. Like, cancel everything, bro.
Maybe I played this a lot on the Garage Band, Guitar Hero. I just chill, bro.
Huh?
I just chill out here, bro. You gonna see if he in there?
Yeah, I know he ain't in there. I'm saying, bro, nigga, we about to smoke, bro.
Oh.
Hey, we about to smoke in that bitch.
Oh, okay. Well, shit.
So
Hold on, let me roll this one. Let me roll this one.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna roll that one. I'll be fucking got the rotation some days. Y'all want to see the lavish lifestyle of New Boy Genius? Well, here it is. We about to ship something to the next state. Hold on. What'd you say, bro? Yes, sir. Tulsa, Oklahoma. Yes, sir. We're gonna get out here. Get to it. The wind. The roar of the wind. I feel like Dorothy in that tornado. Yeah, James, I told you, no, 10 side. Yep, when they catch me in Japan, they already know that. Y'all late. Anyway, let me get to it. We gotta jump into the hood news last.